Even after 7 years since construction of the Tura-Dalu road started, the project is far from completion. The National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited was handed over the task for the construction of this project way back in 2018 when the MDA government first took charge. After reviewing the project, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the project is marred with several hurdles including land acquisition. The Tura-Dalu road, despite being part of the NH 51, was one of the worst roads in the state.
The NHIDCL has already reported to us. They have updated that the survey is going on, and then the committee from East Khasi Hills under the chairmanship of the Deputy Commissioner also is very active, and the review meeting in the level is being called regularly in case of any land issue with the landowners or with the right or with the HIMAs, whatever.
The All Meghalaya SSA non-teaching